Ladies and gentlemen, as everybody knows that 11th October is to be celebrated as a Girls' Day, Child Girls' Day. No doubt this day is highly valuable for us because the existence of human life is only possible with the equal participations of both men's and women's. No doubt no nation can rise to the heights of its glory unless your women are side by side with you. We are victims of evil customs, and it is a crime against humanity that our women are sitting in their home as prisoners. Women are suffering multifarious problems in all developing countries like Pakistan. No, we visit those areas. अब हम उन इलाकों की तरफ चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि उनकी कंडीशन कितनी डेटेरेटेड है। लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, जो कंडीशन है आपके सामने है, ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं। ये 3 बच्चियाँ और 1 बच्चा है। 2 बच्चियों ने शूज़ भी नहीं पहने हुए। तो वी मस्ट फोकस ऑन देम्स। हमें इनके ऊपर फोकस करना होगा, इनके ऊपर जो है वो तवज्जो देनी होगी। ये हमारा फ्यूचर्स हैं। जो आज की ये छोटी सी बच्चियाँ हैं वो फ्यूचर्स की वुमेन्स हैं। लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, एन अदर कंडीशन इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस। This condition tells us how the children are wasting their precious times, having no shoes. They are showing the magic of monkey. Ladies and gentlemen, looking beautiful, eating जो है ये देखें छली खा रही है। A condition is in front of me. A woman is sitting over the donkey going to field for obtaining animal feeds. A condition is in front of us. They are living in so much poverty. A boy having no shoes. Women have to suffer multifarious problems. A woman is in front of me living in so poverty. Ladies and gentlemen, this condition is in front of you. How poor are living their life. Their life is in the grip of multifarious challenges. ये मेरे सामने मक्की के जो दाने हैं उनको भुना जा रहा है और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे जो बच्चे और बच्चियाँ हैं ये इकट्ठे हैं। तो कंडीशन इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। No doubts, ladies and gentlemen, nations are built only by their mothers. It is rightly quoted by Napoleon that give me a good mother and I shall give you a good nations. But no denying the fact that a good mother becomes only good, only prosperous when the state of Pakistan provide her better resources. So poverty is one of the biggest challenges in these sectors. Government must provide some financial assistance to those families who are living their lives below the poverty lines. Picture is in front of you. ये जो लोग हैं they hardly afford dal and bread even once or twice a day. They are struggling for their hard life. They have no luxurious lifestyles. Having a wall of mud, ये जो कच्ची ईंटें हैं उससे बनी दीवारें हैं। वो रूम है तो उसकी ऊपर अभी छत भी नहीं बनी। Ladies and gentlemen, how their life is so much risky. ये देखें ये जो छत है ये कितनी रिस्की है। ये एक लकड़ी का जो उन्होंने नीचे से सतून बना के दिया हुआ है। अगर ये स्लिप होता है तो पूरी छत जो है गिर सकती है और किसी बड़े हादसे का ये जो लोग हैं वो शिकार हो सकते हैं। दिस रूम हैविंग नो रूफ, हैविंग नो वेल पेंटेड वेल पॉलिश्ड रूम्स। कोई सीलिंग भी नहीं है। ये खाली जो बम्बू है बांस उसकी छत बनी है। They have no idea how to live as they have dogs. Picture of extreme poverty is in front of me. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the women who are struggling hard. Government must provide them some financial assistance. In inflations, they are unable to afford even simple foods. Skyrocketing prices of ghee, dals, flours, they are unable to afford even once or twice a day. On this day of Women's, I request to the concerned authorities that they should pay their keen attention towards such families. Ladies and gentlemen, during life cycle, she has to perform various duties as a daughter, as a wife, as a sister, as a mother, as a teacher, and as a grandmother. We should not forget that a girl of today is a woman of tomorrow. Men are what by their mothers made them. We have to follow the beautifully saying of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that is, it is the prime duty of men and women to get educations. The mindset that girl is a liability should be changed. We have lot of experience जो उसका रोल है बेनज़ीर भुट्टो, इंदिरा गांधी इंडिया में और चाइल्डहुड में अरफा करीम रंधावा. Her role is highly appreciable, salutable. What we should do, हमें ज़िंदगी के हर शोबों में either it is belongs to political sectors, economics है, social sectors है, educational sector है, ज़िंदगी के हर सर्कल में उसको equally participate करना है. Secondly, we have to create awareness about her education in remote areas of Pakistan, in village areas of Pakistan, where the doors for women are closed comparatively to the male, because Pakistan is totally a male dominated society. Here male baby is warmly welcome comparatively to the females. Such type of negative tradition should be discouraged. Along with this, she must be provided balanced diet, good health facilities, especially during pregnancy. एंड जो हमारी सोसाइटी के अंदर वायलेंस है, मेंटली टॉर्चर है, फिज़िकली टॉर्चर है, वुमेन ट्रैफिकिंग है, रेप केसेस हैं, सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट है, एसिड अटैक्स है, बर्निंग है, these all types of social evil should be discouraged in order to empowerment of women. So one should hope for the best. आई होप कि ये जो व्लॉग है आपको पसंद आया होगा. लाइक्स कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा.